Got some really nice L-key sets to look at today from Wiha Tools. This is a 35-piece set. We've got metric, standard, and Torx, and it comes in a really nice foam tray. Let's open it up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just some L-key sets to look at today from Wiha Tools. They reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to take a look at this set and make a quick little unboxing and review video, and I said absolutely. So here they are. Let's open it up and see what comes included. Well, we've got a really nice looking tray here. It's a layered or laminated tray. So the first top layer here is kind of a harder type of plastic. And then this, of course, is a softer foam. The dimensions on the tray are 15.5 by 11 inches. I think the overall height on this is about 1.5 inches. And so again, you're not going to have any clearance issues in just about any manufacturer or make of toolbox. But let's go ahead and take each one of these out and take a closer look or see what comes included. Now, as far as the sizes on the metric, the smallest size is 1.5 and it goes all the way up to 10 millimeter, and it's labeled really well here on the case, but it also is engraved on each one of the tools. I don't know if that's showing up there for you, but you see each one of those is engraved. These are made of CRV or chrome vanadium, and they're made in Poland. And this one right here, you can see it says 10 millimeter right there on the tool. Now, one of the things that I also really like about this holder is it's designed to make it easier to pull each one of these out. Let's say, for example, you needed one of the smaller ones here and you go to pull it out, and the larger ones, of course, are always in the way. And that's the case with a lot of the Allen key or L-key holders. But this has a really unique mechanism. All you need to do is grab a hold of the largest one and turn it. And you see how that just kind of opens like a butterfly? That butterfly action just is going to allow you now to take some of these smaller keys out without having to remove the larger one first, or without having to kind of go through and turn each one of them as a lot of the other L key or Allen key sets do. So let's take a closer look at one of these. I am going to pull out the largest one here, the 10 millimeter. Now they also stay pretty firmly locked into this holder. There's a mechanism in there or some sort of design that holds these or prevents these from falling out. Now, as far as the finish here, it's a satin chrome finish to protect, from corrosion or rusting or anything. And you also probably notice these are quite a bit longer than a traditional L-key or Allen wrench. Now, it says that these are all CNC precision machined to reduce cam out, but you also notice that the edges here are chamfered so that you do have a smoother fastener engagement. And down here we have the ball end design, which enables fastening and unfastening at angles up to 25 degrees for something that might be really hard to reach. This is almost like a universal drive for that hex key. If you can't get straight onto that fastener, it's a really nice feature to have. I also really like the length on this. On this 10 millimeter alone, we're looking at 9 inches long. Just for comparison, let me grab another set here. This is an old set that I've had for many years. And you see what I mean? If you wanted to get one of these other ones, you had to rotate everything in order to be able to pull it out. So that's a really neat butterfly design, but I am going to pull out the same size here. This is also a 10 millimeter. And you can see the difference in length. Quite a bit shorter. This one here is 7 inches long. And of course, you can also see a little bit of corrosion or rust on this one. It just doesn't have that same protective coating as this one here. And of course, we don't have the ball end design. This has been a good set. I've used it for a long time, but definitely time for an upgrade. We'll slide that one back in, and really neat feature, this mechanism. Not sure who came up with that, but that's a pretty neat design. It also does have a little lanyard hole here. So if you wanted to tie that off somewhere to your tool belt, or even just tie that off or hang that from a tool bag, that would also be nice. I do like the fact that these are locked in place. You really have to give it some push to get that tool to slide out. Again, turn that and then pull your tool straight out. Comes out no problem. Pop it back in. Really cool design. Let's take a look at the standard or SAE here. Now here, this one is a 13-piece set. It's got that same mechanism. All you need to do is just turn one and they all open like that. It's a nice butterfly design. Definitely something you can show off to your friends, because I'm sure they're not going to have this in their L-key set. But the smallest one here is 0.05. So we've got a really small one right over here to start. And the largest one goes all the way up to 3/8. 13-piece here in the SAE or standard. Works the same way. Really nice set. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Torx set here. Also a 13-piece. Smallest one is a T5. That's quite a bit smaller than some of the other L-key sets that I have in Torx. And the largest size looks like it's here on the back is T45. Got that same butterfly mechanism, of course, here with the Torx set as well. Again, really easy to get to, really convenient. Just open that, slide one out, and do what you need to do. Now, of course, here we do not have the ball end. This is just going to be the same exact precision machined Torx end. You may need the reach on this for this end, or of course the leverage on this side. Of course, you all know how these work. That's nothing new. Now, of course, they're not locked in place that you can't pull them out, but they don't fall out, which is nice. Take them out, get the job done, and then turn that, and that turns them back kind of in their locked position, and tuck it away here in the tray, and you're good to go. Now, I don't know if you're like I am, but if you open up a drawer in my toolbox, you'll find loose L-keys there. Some of these old holders where things have kind of come off and come apart. I just reached into one of my drawers and pulled these out. This is just a big old mess of L-keys and all these old keychain type of holders. And sometimes, you know, I'm running back and forth from the toolbox, reaching into this L-key drawer and trying to find the right one. That's really a big old waste of time. You know, you do need to have these, and they do come in handy here and there, but I love the fact that now with this set, all I have to do is open that drawer, grab the ones that I need, and go get the job done. Now, whether you work as a mechanic or a handyman or work in some of the trades as an electrician, plumber, HVAC, anything like that, it's so nice to have a really good set of L-keys. I am one of those guys that does need help with organization, and of course sometimes when I go to find a tool I can't always find it, or it's not where I left it, so I love the idea of the foam tray here. You know, a lot of times I would just carry L-keys in a tool bag, and I've got a few of them in some of my handyman bags, but as a mechanic it's really nice to know exactly where everything is so you can get that job done, move on to the next one, and put everything back where it goes as well once you're done. This is definitely going to save me a lot of time and a lot of hassle having to run back and forth from my toolbox. You know, I guess you could even take the entire tray with you over to the car as well. I got to tell you, I'm really impressed with these, impressed with the quality, and I really like the design of these holders and this tray, and it's definitely going to help me stay organized and be able to get jobs done without having to waste time searching for the right tool. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same set from Wiha Tools as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.